Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. And this is Mokter Hossain, Assistant Teacher, National Ideal English Version School Day Sheet. Today, I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class Junior 1. And our today's topic is I.G.K 1, 2, 3. Okay students, let's see the board. Topic I.G.K 1, 2, 3, term annual 21, lecture number 22, SW number also will be 22, and today's date. So dear students, let's start our today's topic. I.G.K number 1. Dear students, I think all of you know that I.G.K means Islamic general knowledge. Number 1. What is the last and final heavenly book? And the answer is the Holy Quran. Number 2. Which is the biggest surah in the Holy Quran? And the answer is Surah Baqarah. Number 3. Which is the smallest surah in the Holy Quran? And the answer is Surah Kawthar. Dear students, I repeat. Number 1. What is the last and final heavenly book? The answer is the Holy Quran. Number 2. Which is the biggest surah in the Holy Quran? And the answer is Surah Baqarah. Number 3. Which is the smallest surah in the Holy Quran? And the answer is Surah Kawthar. Dear students, now SW, and your SW topic will be I.G.K 1, 2, 3. Okay students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood today's topic properly. Keep practicing at your home. Abide by your parents. Stay safe and well. See you again inshallah. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.